Good afternoon. This is my video of my showing my advanced search algorithm running. So I'm gonna run 7 test cases with these 4 JSON files, so we can see how the algorithm works and the efficiency. So the algorithm searches the list, slicing the list in half. Each time it search in the middle and then cuts in half and goes from there. So the first test we're gonna run, it's on the empty file, and it's an empty file, doesn't have anything, but so I'm gonna try to find something there, and it's not gonna find because list size 0, there's nothing there. So, and it took and didn't have any iterations because it already knew that the list was empty. So now we're moving for the trivial file. The trivial file has 1 word, which is trivial. So, and because the file is not empty, it will have at least 1 interaction, and you will find and the first one because there's only 1 word. And if we're gonna try searching something that doesn't exist, but also just 1 iteration because there's only 1 word on it. So now the language file has 11 languages. 11 elements, and I'm gonna try to search C++ and see how the program actually, if you put the wrong name, it tells you the file doesn't exist and then give you another opportunity to put the correct name. So searching C++, it took 2 interactions. Now let's try the worst case scenario, that it's searching something that doesn't exist, and it takes only 3 interactions to see that that thing is not on the list. Now we're gonna move for the countries. This is a way bigger. It has 196 elements on the list, and we're gonna search for United States of America, and it took 6 interactions only to find, so the loop only ran 6 times. And let's try a worst case scenario. Try and find something that does not exist. And it only takes 8 interactions. So 8 interactions is the biggest number of interactions that we're gonna have on that one. So I grabbed the numbers and to test the efficiency, and then the efficiency is, we have this, it's logarithm, so it's O log of n, so it's the best that we could have for the algorithm. And here are our outputs, the size of the list and how many rotations, and here we have the trend line that shows it's a algorithm, it's a logarithm, so it's O log of n. Thank you.